welcome to SPL, the Speaker Specialist. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at this John Deere js30. I'm going to flip the camera over. So right here we have the js30. It's basically an older model of more of the fancier self-propelled motor. And this actually features electric start, which is, a pretty premium feature. Very large gas tank, 6.75 horsepower, Briggs & Stratton flathead. Has a very raised up thing right there. Right here, these are all your main controls. So this is for turning it on, and then you release it, turn it off. This is your belt tensioner or speed. So if you push this all the way up, and then this is your clutch. So if you have this all the way up, it will go fast, and then, down and up. If you lock this all the way up, this thing will drive you up a hill, up a really steep hill, and it does everything for you. Because I know some lawnmowers don't even have the belt tensioner, and they kind of leave it loose. And that's not really that good, because if you want to go up a hill, then sometimes the belt will just start slipping, and you have to give in a little bit. So this features pull and electric start. So that's pretty cool. Guess I'll start it up. It's cold start, so I can't really show you under here. I wish I could, but it's very hard to get back on, and all the bolts are still on there. But basically, this came with more of like a motorcycle battery. Here, I'll show you that. Can't quite find it. It might be inside. Here's an ultrasonic cleaner. That's kind of cool. Yeah, we'll see what I can do. So, honestly, I don't even know, because I wish it had a different gearbox, because here's the thing. This is just a belt tensioner. It doesn't switch gears in the gearbox or anything. It just tensions the belt from the engine. And if you have it all the way up, it's great, but it's pretty dang fast. And if you step this off, then it sometimes doesn't even go. But if you're doing a flat surface like the backyard, my backyard, then usually you'll be fine pushing it, backing it off. But like doing those hills, you need to tighten up that belt. But the problem is that thing's gonna be going, and there's really can't stop. Yeah. It has a replay spark plug. We got this for free off of the side of somebody's yard. But yeah. Sizes, it looks like it's really high up from right here. But like, if you really think about it, it's really not. So that's pretty cool. So, if you push this down, then you could, pull start it. But there's also a key start. And then the battery is inside here. There's no fuse. And this was really eaten up, so we just, taped that up. But then if you come over here, you'll find that there's a little starter right here. And that's pretty cool. So right now, we just have a 7 amp hour in there. It used to have a motorcycle battery, but now I just have a 7 amp hour SLA battery. So yeah, it's probably not as much capacity in amps, but it does the job. This is a cold start. It actually hasn't been on the starter since we last cut the lawn, and we last cut the lawn, let's see here, about a week ago? Yeah, around. So it's been sitting for a while. So let's hear this thing start. does have an engine brake, but as you could see, you could still kind of spin it over. You know, kind of hard to do. Let's just see. It's still cranking, even when the brake's applied. So the brake's kind of worn down. But let's hear this thing start up one more time. So, and also, right on this other side, we have this cable, which this cable is what you connect up to the charger. We're going to bring this thing over to the charger. We push this guy over here. We have a 750 milliamp trickle charge charger right here. And if we just hook these up, which here I'll do this. So you see right there, that's hooked up, close the circuit. And then if we come into the garage, we have this battery, which we're gonna review. But here, we have this 750 milliamp trickle charger. Here's the indications, and it's flashing red, or solid red, which that means it is low and it is charging. So we'll keep this on the charger. And also on the lawnmower, we have the same exact thing. We hook this up straight up to the terminals, and you can use that same trickle charger and charge that. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. So that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Just a shorty. We're probably going to do a lot of these, just because, you know, the stuff that I review doesn't really take a lot of explaining. But I know you guys like to see what I do. Sorry about the shaky. But, here, I'll show you my lawnmower startup. Yeah, let's see here. Let's pull the hood down. Still got that Briggs 20 horse. Hear this thing rumble. That's that. Okay, guys, this is it. Hope you liked it. Bye.